Welcome, automation enthusiasts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI chatbot using Python. Yes, your own AI chatbot, just like ChatGPT, that can answer questions and have a conversation with user. By the end of this video, you will have a working AI chatbot running on your computer that you can interact with directly in your browser. So, if you're ready to build your first AI chatbot, let's get started. Step 1. We need to install library, okay? In the terminal, type pip install Gradio, then type pip install you Google Generate AI, okay? We need to install this library first, okay? Perfect. Step 2, we need to import this library. For that, type import Gradio as Gradio. Okay, Gradio is a Python library that helps us create a web interface easily. Okay, perfect. Now we need to import Generate AI from Google. Okay, type from Google import Generate AI. Okay, Google Generate AI is a library that will allow Python to communicate with Gemini AI. Okay, perfect. Step 3, we need to create the AI client. Think of the client as a messenger that sends our question to Gemini and return the answer. For that, let us create a new variable called client that equal to generate AI dot client. Okay, notice that Generate AI library contains tools for using artificial intelligence. In the Generate AI library, there is an object called client. Okay, what is it for? The client is like a bridge between your Python code and Google Gemini AI. It allows our program to communicate with the AI, send message, generate text, or create a chatbot. With it, your code can send question to the AI and receive its answer. Okay, so client is the primary tool for interacting with the AI. Okay, perfect. Now, inside the bracket, we need to add our API key. Okay, type API key equal to, okay, add your API key. The API key is what? The API key is your secret key that allow you to use Google AI. Okay, perfect. So here, make sure to replace your Gemini API key with your actual key from Google. Your API key is generated in Google AI Studio. Here are instructions for using the API. To get an API key for free, go to your Google AI Studio, then sign in with your Google account. Okay, then here you will find Get API Key. Click on Get API Key. Okay, then you need to create your own API key for your project. Once it is created, copy that API key. Then replace your Gemini API key with your personal API key from Google Gemini. Okay, perfect. I will paste it here. Perfect. Step 4, we need to create the chatbot function. This function will send the user message to Gemini AI model and return the AI generated text response. Okay, perfect. For that, type the keyword def and we will call our function response. That will take two parameters, okay? The message, then the history. Okay? The message is simply the user question. Then the history will be previous message in the chat. Okay? Perfect. Now, inside our function, we will ask Gemini to generate an answer. Okay? For that, type response will be coming from the client dot models dot generate content. Okay, so here we will send the user message to Gemini AI to generate a response. Okay, client can do many things. For example, send message, generate text, create image, etc. Okay, perfect. Inside the bracket, we need to choose the AI model. Okay, type model equal to, we need to choose the AI model. Okay, note Gemini has multiple models. Okay, we will use this one. Go to redeem it, then you will find all the model used by Google AI Studio. Okay, here we use this model, Gemini 2.5 Flash model. Okay, the version name is provided in Google documentation or the model. If Google add new version like Gemini 2.6, 2.7, you can switch by changing the string. Okay, we are going to use Gemini 2.5 Flash. Okay, perfect. Here we'll add our model Gemini 2.5 Flash. Okay, then we need to add inside the bracket the message. Okay, type content equal to message. Okay, this will send the user message to the AI, so Gemini knows what question to answer. Okay, then our function will return a response.text. Okay, return response dot text. Okay, so this function will return Gemini answer as a text. Gradual will then display the answer in the chat interface. Okay, perfect. Now let us move to the last step. Okay, the last step will be to generate the chat interface. Okay, for that, let us create a new variable called demo. Okay, then we will call our gradual dot chat interface. Okay, gradual dot chat interface will create a web chatbot interface. Okay, now we need to add the bracket. Okay, inside the bracket we need to add a function that will be our response function. Okay, response function. You need to remove the bracket. Why? Because if you wrote response with bracket, Python will execute the function right away, even before the user sends a message. Response without bracket means we pass the function itself to Gradio without executing it immediately. Okay? Then we need to add the title. The title will be recall my Gemini AI chatbot. Okay, then we need to run the program. Okay, to be able to run the program, always remember to add if underscore name underscore equal to underscore main. This will check if the script is run directly and not import from another file. If it is the case, we will launch the chatbot web. Okay, type demo dot launch. Okay, so this launch the chatbot web interface locally. Okay, perfect. Now let us run our code and see how it works. In the terminal, type Python, then add the name of your Python script, then press enter. Now you need to copy your local host URL. Okay, copy, then open it in your browser, paste, then press enter. Perfect. My Gemini AI chatbot. Okay, here ask your assistant any question. Okay, we'll start by the first question. Hi Gemini, what does the acronym UNESCO means? Perfect. You can see the answer. The acronym UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization. Perfect. Now you can ask any question that you want. Okay, let us continue. For example, what car is good for a long trip? Perfect. Okay, now you can see that you can ask the question to your chatbot and he will give you the answer. Okay, perfect. So you can ask any question that you want. Let us ask the last question to our chatbot. Hi Gemini, give me 3 qualities of a good leader. Here are 3 essential qualities of a good leader. Perfect. So you can see you are able to ask questions to your chatbot and he will answer you. Okay? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy the content of this video. And in the comment, just add Gemini AI chatbot. Thank you.